Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class we are going to solve this problem and they ask us to find the value of x. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. Okay, so first I need to write the question here. So the question is root 11 inside that root 11 inside the root 11 inside the root 11 which is equal to 1331 to the power of root x. So if a question is given, first we need to check what's the relation between the number involved in the sums. So let's check what's the relation between 11 and 1331. So we know that 11 square is equal to 121. So let's multiply that with again 11. Therefore 121, 121, 1331 which is equal to what? 11 cube. So the relation between these two is 11 cube. So let's keep this as it is. Let's start the question. Okay. So first what you have to do? First we need to remove the square root. So in order to remove the square root, what you have to do? I need to take square on both sides. Okay. If I take square, this square and this root get cancelled. Therefore this becomes 11 root 11 inside the root 11 inside root 11. Okay, which is equal to, so this is in the format of a power m the whole power n. So which is equal to what? A power m into n. This both get multiplied. Similarly, if I multiple these two, this become 1331 to the power of 2 root x. Okay. So now see here 11 is there. So we need to remove this root also. Therefore I am going to write this as 11 into root 11, root 11, root 11. So in order to differentiate the root term and number term. Okay. So that's why I am going to write like this in order to make the calculation easier, to avoid mistakes also. So now in order to remove this square root, what do you have to do? I need to take square on both sides again. Therefore I need to take square on both sides. Therefore this becomes 11 square into the root of 11, root of 11, root of 11, the whole square, which is equal to, so this obviously in a power m the whole power n format. So this will get multiple. Therefore 1331 the power of 2 into 2 root x. Therefore this square and this root get cancelled. Therefore I will get 11 square into 11 root 11 root 11 which is equal to 13314 root x. Okay. So next step what you have to do? I need to separate this number term with this and I am going to write this. So therefore what I am going to do? 11 square into 11 into root 11 inside root 11 which is equal to 13314 root x. Okay. So now what I am going to do is, next step is I need to remove this root. So for that what I have to do? I need to take square on both sides. So therefore this becomes 11 square the whole square into this 11 square into root 11 the whole square which is equal to 1331. So these two will be in multiple state. Therefore 4 root x into 2. Okay. So next step is what? So this also a power m the whole power n format. So these two will be in multiple state. Therefore 2 into 2 is 4 into 11 square into this root and square get cancelled. Therefore 11 into root 11 which is equal to 1331. 4 into 2 is 8 root x. So first we need to simplify this. So this is in the format of, so let's take these three alone, that is a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Is it? Just apply this formula here. Therefore, this become 11 to the power of this 4 plus this 2. Here nothing is there. So, let's consider as 1. So, plus 1 into this root 11, which is equal to 1331 root x. So, if I simplify this, 11, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Into root 11, which is equal to 1331 root x. Okay. So, to remove this square root, what do you have to do? I need to take square on both sides again. So, therefore, this becomes 11 power 7 the whole square into root 11 the whole square, which is equal to 1331 root x. So this will be in multiple state. The both get multiple, therefore into 2. So no need of this bracket. Okay. So it's become 11. So this will be in multiple position. Therefore 7 power 7 into 2 is 14 into this root and square get cancelled. Therefore 11 here, which is equal to, and this become 1331 8 2s are 16 root x. Okay. Now this will be in the format of a power m into a power n, which is equal to what? A power m plus n. Already I told this formula. Just apply this formula here. Therefore this become 11 to the power of 14 plus 1, which is equal to, I am going to write this as 1331 16 root x. Therefore this becomes 11 power 15. Okay, wow. So okay. So I am going to write that there. Therefore what I will get? 11 power 14 plus 1 is 15, which is equal to 1331 to the power of 16 root x. Is it? Is it? So now what I have to do is I am going to change this 11331, which is equal to what? 11 cube. We already found at the beginning. So just apply this in the place of 131. Therefore this becomes 11 power 15 is equal to 11 power 3 the whole power 16 root x. So this obviously is in the form of a power m the whole power n. So therefore this can be written as a power m into n. So 11 power 15 is equal to 11 power 3 into 16 root x. Therefore 11 power 15 is equal to 11 power 3 into 16 is 48 into root x. Therefore base is equal and whose power is also equal. Therefore 15 is equal to 48 root x. So just I am going to shift left hand side and right hand side. Swap right hand side and left hand side. Therefore 48 root x is equal to 15. I need only x value. Therefore root x is equal to 15 divided by 48. So this will comes in 3 table. 5 3s are, so which can be written as 5 into 3. This can be written as 16 into 3. So 3 get cancelled. Therefore root x is equal to 5 by 16. So I need only x value to remove the square root. Again I need to take square on both sides. So therefore this becomes x. The square and root get cancelled. X is equal to 5 square divided by 16 square, which is equal to 25 by 16 square is 256. Therefore the answer for x is 25 by 256. So therefore I am going to finalize x value as 25 by 256. So practice twice and twice. Write every step clearly and know every formulas. Practice makes you perfect. Have a nice day. Bye bye.